guys, so today I'm gonna be doing gardening with my friend. Yeah. Yes, that's my friend. We are gonna be doing gardening here. Yeah, I have my rake. She's watering plants because we are gardeners. Can you wait? Let's trade.
Okay, fine. Let's trade.
Okay.
Fill this in water.
Okay.
And I'll
Okay. So let's turn on the water. Oopsies. Let's fill that with water. Okay. Now we will spill the water. Hold on. All right. Let's spill the water.
No, on the flowers. It's on the flowers.
Water the flowers.
Yeah, the water.
I'm scared of bees, so yeah, no.
Fine, then I'll take your job for you.
Okay, here you go. I'm sorry.
It's okay. If PPL doesn't know what I look like, this is what I look like. Hello.
So yes, I am gardening. Yes, I'm very bad at gardening. So yeah, I'm sorry about this, guys. This is not meant to be for real. This is just for fun. I will be doing this for like 3 minutes, and I'll be ending the video. All right. This is so fun. My friend is here.
Yeah.
Plant the gardens. So yes, I'm trying to get this big block right there. This thing right there, it's hard to see on camera, but I'm trying to get it off.
Wait, no.
This is hard.
Fine.
This is hard to do one-handed, so I'm just gonna film. My friend will be doing all the jobs. Just kidding. I'll be not in the sunlight.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. I'll rake for you.
No, it's fine. I got it.
No, don't do that. Oh my gosh.
I tried to take off the leaf.
No, don't. Actually, sorry. Like this thing? Like this?
No, not those. Not those.
All right, bye guys.